Ina and handsome lad, Crispy. They were young, vibrant, and so much in love with each other. But Ina's parents have long arranged their daughter's marriage to another man. Saan ngayon palubos da Ina ken Crispin nga mapasamak detoy. Na minsan nga rod nga kita da Ina ken Crispin iti kabakiran tak naglibas da. On their way out of the village, they saw a flickering light were coming from. They were shocked, and it was Ina's family. Ina and Crispin pledged to face whatever consequences it may be served by their families. Iti bangan iti kabakiran, timteng iti pamilya ni Crispin. Ina and Crispin already knew what may happen next. That moment, it's no way out. Ina and Crispin clasped their hand tightly and prayed so hard to God to bestow what's best by two people who have nothing but pure love. Their God answered their prayer. In their surprise, their families have brought with them the best of their crops as an offering to each family and a gesture of acceptance of Crispin and Ina's love. Isungan na panagan detoy ang komunidad iti Crispina. Intay nga rod, limatangan, dagiti ubing agad-ada iti Crispina Elementary School.
Christina